In South Africa and across the continent, food is more than nourishment. It is dignity, health, opportunity, and the foundation of a thriving society. Yet millions remain vulnerable to hunger, malnutrition, and the pressures of a rapidly changing food system. In 2014, the Department of Science, Technology and Innovation and the National Research Foundation established the Centre of Excellence in Food Security, a virtual hub connecting leading researchers across disciplines, institutions, and countries. This became the first Centre of Excellence hosted at a historically disadvantaged institution, the University of the Western Cape, with its co-host, the University of Pretoria. The mission of the Centre? To generate knowledge, train future leaders, and catalyze solutions that advance sustainable, just, and resilient food systems. Over the past decade, the CoE-FS has produced over 500 journal articles, advanced new technologies, and delivered insights that shape policy and practice. In 2024 alone, researchers produced 86 peer-reviewed articles, with nearly half in journals with an impact factor above 3. From informing the National Food and Nutrition Security Plan to supporting the National Planning Commission and advising cities on urban food strategies, the Centre's evidence-based recommendations are influencing how South Africa understands, governs, and transforms its food system. Through technological innovation, the Centre has pioneered nutrient-dense foods tailored for urban and rural communities, advanced climate-resilient crop research, and developed biodegradable packaging, unlocking new possibilities for nutrition, sustainability, and livelihoods. Our researchers have helped strengthen school feeding programs, improve food safety standards, and illuminate the links between climate change, antimicrobial resistance, and public health. From 2014 to 2025, the Centre has played its part in strengthening South Africa's research and innovation pipeline. More than 849 bursaries for postgraduate students and fellows have been awarded since inception, and a further 276 students have received non-bursary support from the CoE-FS. Over 360 students have graduated and postdoctoral fellowships completed, with many of our alumni now leading in academia, government, and industry. The Centre's work reaches far beyond academia. Through place-based partnerships, from the Breda Valley to Johannesburg and KwaZulu-Natal, researchers work hand in hand with communities, civil society, and local government to co-design practical solutions that support food access, improve livelihoods, and empower local systems. With 50-plus partners across Africa and the world, the CoE-FS is part of a global movement for food system transformation. Through the UNESCO Chair in Science and Education for African Food Systems, the African Food Systems Transformation Collective, and large-scale leverage-funded projects, the Centre is shaping research and innovation across the continent. As it enters a new cycle, the Centre is poised to deepen its role as a catalyst and incubator, advancing data-driven food systems analysis, supporting practitioner-led governance, and developing scalable interventions that promote justice, sustainability, and health. For more than 13 years, the DSTI-NRF Centre of Excellence in Food Security has been at the forefront of research, innovation, and impact. Together with our partners, funders, students, and communities, we are building the foundations of a more equitable, nutritious, and sustainable future for all.